Welcome back to Area Diesel Service. Today we wanted to release some content regarding the 1025R Turbo project. A few months ago we did a collaboration with fellow YouTube content creator Tractor Time with Tim. Tim brought us a 1025R John Deere subcompact tractor, and he wanted to add a turbocharger to his machine. This project started as kind of an exhibition type of collaboration, really to be a one-off situation, give us some content to put out there, give Tim something else to play with on his channel. Since the release of this content, we've had an overwhelming number of inquiries about additional folks who would like to do the same modification to their machine. So because of those numbers of inquiries and in having discussions with Tim, we are happy to announce that at least for the time being we are pursuing the creation of an add-on turbo kit for the John Deere 1025R. So there's a lot that goes into this type of project. The first thing is we just need some time on Tim's machine to ensure that these modifications are not going to be detrimental to the operation, functionality, longevity, those types of concerns. So the last thing we want is to market and sell a kit that's going to cause harm to a machine you have invested in. First thing, let's get one out there with some time on it and make sure that this is going to work. Second concern is really from the legal aspect of this. Because of our position in the market, the interest and exposure we've created here, we are going to pursue an executive order number for this kit and modification. That means additional testing and CARB or federal government level authorization to produce and distribute this kit. We are in the process of submitting this kit for these authorizations as we speak. Time frame to be determined. We don't know how long this is going to take, but we are pursuing it and currently working on it. Tim has about 12 hours on his 1025R with this modification completed. Feedback as of now is excellent. So definitely an increased level of power. We proved that on the dyno. Tim also feels that increase in power to the ground, which was originally speculated on because of transmitting that power through a hydrostatic system. So regardless of the stock hydraulic configuration, he still feels from the seat of the tractor an increased level of power to the ground. So in addition to completing these applications and asking for approval to do this, we've also started the process of seeding some of the subcomponents for the kit. So we're gathering up all of the parts we need at this point for a couple of kits, so we have some material on hand as we move through the application and the testing phases of getting this kit into the market. For those of you that have reached out to us, we thank you. We have started a registry of those folks that are interested in acquiring one of these kits in the future. If you are interested and have not contacted us, please do so. You can get a hold of us at 800-637-2658, or you can send us an email at parts@areadiesel.com. We'd also be interested in the information from your machine. So what year is it, tractor serial number, potentially some images under the hood, so we can start to determine which machines and which serial numbers are going to require which components. And finally, if you are remotely close to us in the Carlinville, Illinois location, and you have one of these machines and you're interested in this modification, please let us know. We're going to need an additional machine to make this modification and take to a laboratory so they can conduct the appropriate tests so we can proceed with releasing this kit. Okay, So there it is, 1025R Turbo Project Update. If you have any questions or comments, please get a hold of us, or you can leave them in the comment section below. As we continue throughout this process, we'll bring you additional updates as they become available. Thanks for watching.